Combine several images horizontally with Python. I am trying to horizontally combine some JPEG images in Python. Problem: I have 3 images, each is 148 by 95, see attached. I just made 3 copies of the same image, that is why they are the same. My attempt: I am trying to horizontally join them using the following code. However, this is producing the output attached as test.jpg. Question: is there a way to horizontally concatenate these images such that the sub-images in test.jpg do not have an extra partial image showing? Additional information: I am looking for a way to horizontally concatenate in images. I would like to use this code generally, so I would prefer to not to hard-code image dimensions, if possible, specify dimensions in one line so that they can be easily changed.
You can do something like this. Test1.jpg, Test2.jpg, Test3.jpg. Test.jpg. The nested full primes range 0, 444, 95 column is pasting each image 5 times, staggered 95 pixels apart. Each outer loop iteration pasting over the previous.
I would try this. It should work as long as all images are of the same variety, all RGB, all RGB, or all grayscale. It shouldn't be difficult to ensure this is the case with a few more lines of code. Here are my example images, and the result. Test1.jpg. Test2.jpg, Test3.jpg, Trifecta.jpg, Trifecta_vertical.jpg, B.
Edit: Deeting's answer is more applicable to your question since it uses pill, but I'll leave this up in case you want to know how to do it in NumPy. Here is a NumPy/matplotlib solution that should work for n images, only color images, of any size/shape. Here is example use.
Here is a function generalizing previous approaches, creating a grid of images in PIL. It will shrink each row and columns of the grid to the minimum. You can have only a row by using pil_grid images, or only a column by using pil_grid images. 1 benefit of using PIL over NumPy array-based solutions is that you can deal with images structured differently, like grayscale or palette-based images. Example outputs. pil_grid dummy_images. pil_grid dummy_images. 3. pil_grid dummy_images. 1.